I don't have enough money to hire an attorney. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I'm betting you're thinking about this, right? As an individual, technical founder, bootstrapping, money crunch, right? It's hard to come up with enough money. And thinking about hiring an attorney, hiring a lawyer, that's a huge burden. So you think, okay? So you think. Hiring a lawyer doesn't have to be this giant, big $10,000 retainer to get started type of an operation. You should look at your options. There are a lot of attorneys, including Bold Patents, that do flat fee legal work, meaning they do little bits of legal work, bite-sized amounts and flat amounts, no billable hours. So there's a predictability to each step of the process. And so I think it's worth your while to go look and maybe even go check out some of those other hourly type operations as well to make sure you're getting a full picture, but really actually take that step to find out. Don't just trust your hunches. Go research, do some effort before you go try to do something on your own because you think it's too expensive. Gather the information and make sure you make an informed decision about something that's that important regarding your new technology or innovation that needs to have the right legal framework of a patent. Now, yes, you can proceed to file your own provisional patent application. Problem is it going to be done the right way? And will it be able to provide the right platform, have a broad enough disclosure to be able to have that nice, high quality, non-provisional formal application within 1 year? So if you're not sure, go talk to an attorney, get some different quotes, find out how much for what service, so you can get a number, an actual number to know, okay, I've got to go raise X amount of money to go take care of this. For example, I've got to go raise $2,500 to get a professional legal patent search opinion. Or I need to go raise $10,000 to get a utility non-provisional patent application filed by a professional US patent attorney. Those are some of our fees here at Bold Patents. Those fees might change depending on what other option you go with. Now, as you probably have heard from my other videos, cost and price is not and should not be the only or primary thing you're thinking about. You want to make sure that you're jiving and working well with your attorney and understand that who you're hiring, what their processes and systems are, what their backgrounds are, who they've served before, and also determining whether that's the right type of service, whether it be virtual, in person, or the right type of interaction, the communication style. Is it going to be over the phone, over video, or texting, or calling? Lots of different options for communicating. Those are really essential, in my opinion, more important than the upfront cost. So don't think you're out of the ballpark and can't even afford to hire an attorney before you go ask. Find out first, call around, understand what you're getting into before making a decision on your hunch. All right, buddy, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you guys an awesome day. Go big, go bold.